la! Your dream vacation to Sri Lanka starts from rupees 24,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
I don't even pay attention to this privilege and this. मेरा एक simple है, सुबह उठ के काम करना है, मेहनत करनी है, बस. And I just want to see my family happy. The more you stress yourself thinking के ये privileged है, ये मुझे मिल सकता था, नहीं मिला ना, बस अगला काम देखो. Vicky, with all the success that he's getting, he's very grateful for all those things, but I don't think there's a waking moment where he takes things to his head and so seriously, like मैं आज आ गया हूँ. Bro, I was rejected for a shampoo ad. My first audition of my life was a shampoo ad and I got rejected.
Why? What did they tell you for rejection?
हाँ, नहीं आती थी एक्टिंग. और जब वो कट होता है और कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बोलता है भाई एक्टिंग आती नहीं है क्या तुझे? एंड आई लाइक नहीं सर, मैं अभी एक्टिंग स्कूल से आया. तो एक्टिंग स्कूल से आया, लग तो नहीं रहा. तो you suddenly feel like, oh, this is the reality. That's the thing that you project your insecurities because you don't like that guy. So you're like, oh, why are you talking to him? Why? Like, we are friends. No, he's not a nice guy. ये विकी की शादी से पहले भी हो रहा था. It's just so हम लोगों का ना बेस्ट, हम लोगों का कमबैक ही होता था. So dad was 31 when he got married, correct? So till 31 we had a free pass के 31 तक तो कॉन्वर्सेशन ही नहीं होगी घर पे. I was like, अरे क्या बात कर रहा है यार, तू शादी करने वाला है? Like मुझे तो पहले तो वो बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था ना कि क्या बात कर रहा है यार. I was really happy that he decided to, get married. And to Katrina, she's lovely. She's so lovely.
When I actually had watched the trailer and interviewed the cast of Fir Aayi Haseen Dilruba and told the Netflix team that I think this is gonna be the twist, they said no. And I do agree that I was off the mark by a bit, but when I watched the entire film 2 nights ago, I texted you.
Yes.
And I said what I felt about it, and I felt like this is gonna, I genuinely hope and pray that this changes the narrative for you as an artist in the industry, because you're so good in the film, and I think I was scared beyond the point. That's what I texted, that oh my god, I'm terrified of you right now.
Sunny, you're creeping me out. So sorry. Enjoy the film.
But you've done that in Chor Nikal Ke Bhaga, where you played an out and out grey character.
Yeah.
But this was not like that. This was very innocent, and then suddenly there's a switch, right? This is very different from that.
Yeah.
This actually can be creepy to a lot of people.
Yes.
What are the responses that you've got?
First, I want to know what was when you told the Netflix team, what was your thing? कि क्या होगा इसमें?
See, I'm a lover for all these murder mysteries and stuff, and I feel जो सबसे सीधा लगता है वो उसमें कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, जो आपके डायरेक्टर ने भी एक इंटरव्यू में बोला है अभी. तो मुझे लगा ही था कि देखो सनी को लिया, एक तो अच्छा एक्टर लिया है, उसके ऊपर अच्छा रोल भी है, ऐसा तो नहीं कि छोटा मोटा रोल होगा, तो definitely there's gonna be some twist to the character. But I felt that maybe because Taapsee's character gets involved with Harsh's character in the beginning, so maybe there would be something to do. I told them that Taapsee must be cheating on Vikrant this time, and this time it will be like, अच्छा Vikrant को ही वो धोखा दे देगी, मैंने वो बोला था. तो वो थोड़ा सा off the mark definitely गया था. But the fact that you had something to do with it, I said you are related to Harsh. That's what I said.
No, but that is Mrityunjay.
That is true.
Jimmy sir is related to Harsh.
वो तो दिखा, but उसके बाद भी मुझे लगा था maybe you will be related to him in some way.
Like what I've read, what interesting is that Harsh मरा नहीं, वो plastic surgery करके आ गया. And Sunny is playing Neil. He's Neil. Yeah.
You read that? I
read that somewhere. That somebody said that Sunny is playing. He will try to seduce Rani, and he's working with Jimmy sir's characters. He's also a cop.
I felt that. I felt that. Even in that bridge scene
where
in my mother, I was like, I'm telling you it's a plan. My mother is like, no, he's a policeman. You didn't realize it only till now. I said, no, understand. But the good thing is that there is conversation and chatter about your character. How does that make you feel as an artist? Because this is what an artist anyway longs for.
It's great, yeah. It's absolutely fantastic, especially a character like Abhimanyu. Because I remember asking Kanika when she narrated the film, is like, are you sure I can pull this off? Like, kuch to socha hoga. And she was like, yeah, because you look innocent. And we have seen you in innocent roles. We've seen you play a good boy or a lover boy, except for Chor Nikal Ke Bhaga as well. But she's like, I can see the streaks of Abhimanyu in you, that you'll be able to bring it out. And even Jayaprat sir, he was like, yeah, I think you'll be able to do it. So I was very scared and unsure.
You were unsure.
I was scared and unsure till the first day of the shoot. The first day, so my intro scene in the film, opening the door and coming, was my first shot. Was the first
Acha.
shot that I gave, and it is so weird and interesting because I had no idea how I'm going to play Abhimanyu till I did the scene. Because I was so. It's like there were so many things you can do with a character like Abhimanyu.
Absolutely.
Right? Like there is so much you can do that I was like, okay, let me trust my instinct. I have had a lot of discussions. I've done my prep. I know where he comes from and what goes on in his head and everything. I don't know how I will put it physically. So let me do the scene and see what happens. You know? So which is where I've figured out his body language, and which is where I figured out that okay, he probably doesn't move more than what is needed. His face doesn't move that much.
That is true.
He talks a little softly, you know. उसका लहजा बात करने का अलग है. So all that happened during the scene, you know. So after 4-5 takes, I kind of realized that this is how Abhimanyu looks, and which is a scary thing because you come on set and you know you kind of start experimenting on set. But I think that was the fun.
But I think it's a character that you can, like you said, that you can play so much with.
Yeah.
You know, I remember doing this interview with Vicky, and he said that after Raman Raga, because it was such a dark character, your mom actually looked at him at the screening and he hid somewhere. And after that, when he went home, he said that mom looked at me and said, "Yeah, itna kharab character kyun play kiya?" What was her reaction? Because I know that she can be like, she's very simply innocent, right?
Yes.
So what was her reaction to this? Because this is also a very like twisted character.
She loved it. She absolutely loved it. She's like, मुझे एक सेकंड के लिए भी सनी नहीं दिखाई दिया उसमें. तो मैंने कहा थैंक गॉड. अगर अभिमन्यु में सनी दिखाई देता तो गलत ही हो जाता ना. So no, she was very happy. She absolutely loved it, and I think that's the general reaction I've got with the film because and you know the difference is even from Chor Nikal Ke Bhaga's Ankit Sethi, the difference is that there are some people who know that their morality is suspended, right? कि when Ankit is doing things in Chor Nikal Ke Bhaga, he knows that it is wrong.
Yeah.
He knows that he is taking somebody's advantage, but his greed is so up there that he says, "हाँ, but ठीक है यार, it's okay." But he's not averse to the fact that what I'm doing is wrong actually.
Yeah.
Abhimanyu does not think what he's doing is wrong.
That's true.
Abhimanyu victimizes himself in his head. For him, people have wronged him, which is why he's just the balance scale.
He's reasoning it.
He's reasoning it out. Which is why I was like, you know, Abhimanyu ka horoscope kya hoga? And I figured he'll be Libra, because he always wants to maintain that balance. He gets scared when Rani ji proposes. He's in love with Rani ji, but when Rani ji proposes, his first question is Seedha shadi. So because he wants to maintain that balance, right? So I think that was what was interesting about Abhimanyu कि वो अपने दिमाग में सब कुछ सही कर रहा है.
That is true, and it came across like, you know, he was always even the whole twist about the family when they show, he actually reasons it out and justifies it. Like sometimes, you know, it's about, like you spoke about Bazigar, right? Like eventually you feel bad for Shah Rukh Khan's character, knowing he's done so many wrong things, you know. No, you feel bad for his character in Dar, knowing that he's been obsessive as a lover, because they have given that backstory. So you do tend to feel bad when you say that, you know, my father was destroyed or whatever. I want to know that in the family, how did the others react? Because the audience has, I told you that everybody who's watched it has loved it. I don't know what is the problem with this family, that they don't get to take praises really well. You question if people praise you. Do you know that? Has anybody? Please.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for loving Abhimanyu and Phirai Haseen Dilruba. I am really grateful.
No, but why is it like, why do you feel like, why do you get awkward? You, Vicky, both of you get really awkward when somebody comes and tells you that, you know, this was a great film or you were good in this. Have you not noticed that about yourself? Please.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Oh, shit. We will work on that, I'm sure.
But how did the family react?
Oh, very, very positively. यार, Vicky was like, मैं 20 मिनट और देख सकता था. मुझे तो देखना था आगे क्या होता है. You know, so he absolutely loved it. He was very pleasantly thrown off by Abhimanyu and my portrayal of it, and the whole film also. He's like, bro, this is a crazy ride. It's like it's like first part ही इतना crazy था, but second part is up a notch, and it's like, you know, you're guessing every second what is going to happen next, what is going to happen next, and so he enjoyed it. Dad also loved it. He absolutely. I think everybody in my family loves to watch such films. You know, such films are, where the entertainment value is so high, and you're always constantly at the edge of your seat, guessing के क्या होगा, कौन क्या है, कौन कुछ बोल रहा है, but उसका meaning कुछ और है. So all that, you know, it's very, the entertainment value is very high in such a film. So they absolutely loved it.
You know, when you speak about your dad, I had this like amazing chat with Sham sir, and he's one of the nicest, warmest people ever. You know, he started from nothing, absolutely nothing, and he built everything on his own.
Yeah.
Till date, that value system is so much intact in both of you that he is really proud of the fact of how you are as a son, as a human being, right? And that's something that parents always look out for. Do you feel that the kind of atmosphere that you have at home, no matter how successful you guys become, Vicky, you, everybody, you feel that there will be a sense of normalcy always, which will ground you, and that middle class mentality will always make sure that, you know, कि अच्छे इंसान बन के रहो. Do you feel that simplicity comes from that whole idea?
Yeah, I think so. It comes from a lot of conditioning and the way we've grown up, you know. And one thing we've realized is we've grown up to understand that it's not as serious as it looks from the outside. You know, everything, be it your success or your failure, or it's not that serious. It's a part and parcel of your life. You enjoy the smaller things more then, you know. And I think that's where the beauty lies, and which is why we are the way we are, is because we don't take, like even Vicky with all the success that he's getting, I don't think he's very grateful for all those things, but I don't think there's a waking moment where he takes things to his head and so seriously, like मैं आज आ गया हूँ, you know, there's no, you'd never see him doing that के, you know, कि oh, I'm the star, guys, make way for me, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, because you also understand that what you're doing is you're doing it for the people. You're in the entertainment industry and you're serving people at the end of the day, and the love that you're getting is a very good, very pleasant side effect of that.
I was telling you also, so I'm going to say it on camera, that there's a complaint that I have with, because you said that, yeah, wo nahi hai. I keep telling Vicky that since Zara Hatke, you know, the times have been so tough for every actor today to deliver box office successes because of the situations around and everything. And he's done 3 in a row for, like, in the last 1 year, like 3 back to back. He's hardly gone out to promote after it's become a success. If you see other actors, I said the same for you also, that you better, after Chor Nikal Ke Bhaga, you were not there to do interviews. This time I told you that, you know, you have to do it, because somewhere it's not about, unfortunately क्या होता है ना, बहुत actors होते हैं जिनका एक certain number hit हो जाता है, अगर वो movie hit भी नहीं होती है वो number पे, but they will still do to create perception. And on the other hand, you guys are like this, not just both of you, there are many others who actually don't like tom-tomming at all. Do you feel that it's an inbuilt thing? And do you somehow feel that whether you want it or not, someday you will have to give in to that perception, because unfortunately audience will believe what they see and what they are being fed after a given point?
Yeah, no, I don't believe that you have to give in to that perception. Why? I believe, पंजाबी में कहावत है, जे ढिड दुखदा होवे तां चबारे ते चढ़ के चीका मारो, कि मतलब if your stomach is hurting, then you go to the terrace and shout कि मेरा, तभी जाके कोई आएगा तुम्हारी मदद करने के लिए, basically. So I believe in the fact that if you deserve something, you talk about it. Otherwise, I'm fooling myself, and I don't want to live like that. I don't want to create a perception if I have not hit the mark, and fool myself and fool everybody else and say कि, you know, कि oh, I've done something greater than what I actually have, whereas I've not. But I know the truth, right? So for me, that good night's sleep and, you know, the thought before I sleep, if that thought is disturbing me, then I don't want to do that. It's as simple as that. And like I said, it's very simple. We don't take these things very seriously. So yes, it is a part and parcel of our lives, you know, because every industry you need to have good skills to sell yourself. That is how you will get more work. You know, that is how more people will watch you. And we are dependent on people watching you, people loving you to get more work.
Absolutely.
Correct? So I'm saying, yeah, you do that. So you be a part of the game as honestly as you can. And that I'm very clear about. Like, I don't want to create a fake perception about myself, which I don't feel comfortable with, which I know that I'm not. So why should I do that? For what? For what? 15 minutes of fame, 2 articles saying things about me, and then, you know, I really don't believe in all that. I believe in saying things that people say about you. So you amplify that, you know.
Which is great. I think that, you know, if the point is that if everybody started thinking the way you guys do, then it would be a different ball game in the industry altogether, like in society, and the whole audience perception is gonna be based completely on that. There's something that Shahid Kapoor very recently said in an interview, and I completely agree with it, because there's so much chatter about outsiders versus star kids and XYZ and privilege. He said something that, you know, I'm a character artist's son, and a character actor's son doesn't have so much of a privilege as an actor's son. And Sunny, you and Vicky, you're a stunt action director's son. So you guys have had it tougher than many people would imagine, to be very honest. And do you feel that the sense of privilege doesn't apply to actors like you? Because eventually, आपने इतनी अच्छी मूवी दी शिद्दत, अभी मैंने आपका प्रीवियस इंटरव्यू देखा जहाँ पे आपने बोला कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि जब किसी ने आपको पूछा कि आप क्या चाहते हो इसके बाद कि क्या हो, तो यू सेड कि आई होप दैट पीपल नोटिस इट एंड गिव मी मोर वर्क. The fact that you are a
Which
good,
I still hope.
yeah, and I hope the same too.
Yeah.
But the thing is that despite, nobody can question the artist that you are. You've been good in your films, right? But you still have to prove yourself time and again to get that work. Do you feel that that somewhere is a little bit unfair to actors like you?
No, not at all. यार, the thing is that, like you said, इतना ज़्यादा इसके ऊपर discussion और chatter हो चुका है that it's actually lost its meaning for me. And I don't see it that way. I mean, each to their own, you know. We all are born with something which is pre-written, and we can't fight that no matter how much we try to. We can't take more for ourselves than what is already written. And I truly believe in that. कि मैं जितना मर्जी हाथ पैर मार लूँ, मैं जितने मर्जी goals बना लूँ, और and I work tirelessly towards it, and में वही होना है जो होना है. And we say that we write our own destinies and we should take things even that is not in our hands.
That's true.
Like, I just believe everything is pre-written. Our small little brains cannot even comprehend the way this universe works, you know, and I truly believe in that. So all these things don't matter to me. Like, I don't even pay attention to you know, this privilege and this. मेरा एक simple है, सुबह उठ के काम करना है, मेहनत करनी है, बस. And I just want to see my family happy, my friends happy, and that's what gives me happiness, you know, at the end of the day. बाकी the more you stress yourself thinking के ये privileged है, ये मुझे मिल सकता था, नहीं मिला ना, बस अगला काम देखो, करते रहो. And
But this was you even when you started off.
100%. When I'm telling you, I've never even given it a thought. It has never crossed till this whole discussions started popping out in the media, is when I realized, oh, ऐसा भी कुछ होता है क्या? Because it is, कल को मेरा बेटा होगा, I will do everything for my son.
Absolutely.
Every parent will do everything for their kids. That's how parents work. And you cannot now box it in के इसमें तुम सब कुछ कर सकते हो अपने बच्चे के लिए, लेकिन इसमें नहीं कर सकते अपने बच्चे के लिए. Who are we to say that? Yeah, they are the parents. You do whatever you want for your kids. Yeah, like, and it's like, I feel at the end of the day, in an industry like ours where we are artists, you have to prove yourself today or tomorrow. So that discussion for me does not hold ground, because tomorrow, like you say, you know, if somebody is privileged enough to get 2 films readily, 3rd film you have to prove yourself, 4th film you have to prove yourself, 5th film you have to prove yourself. It's the audience that will tell you whether they want to watch you or not, right? So everybody is in the same boat. ना वो बोट का किसी का यॉट है, किसी का चप्पू है, बट है तो सब समुंदर के अंदर ही ना, डीप एंड में. Correct, but at the end of the day, everybody is trying to stay afloat,
Yeah.
right? So it does not really matter, and I don't look at it that way. You know, it's the more you look at it that way and negatively and become pessimistic about things in life, तुम खुद को ही दुख दे रहे हो यार.
That is
क्यों वहाँ पे रहना है? काम करो अच्छा, जैसे you know Jackie Shroff says, and vibe बनाओ, energy बनाओ, भिड़ो energy. I truly believe in that. Yeah, he's amazing when he says that.
He's amazing. That's true. But you know, when you talk about, there was this thing that Vicky had said that when he started, both of you started off together. He was actually rejected for a deodorant ad. And
Bro, I was rejected for a shampoo ad. My first audition of my life was a shampoo ad, and I got rejected.
Why? What did they tell you for rejection?
वहाँ नहीं आती थी एक्टिंग. भाई मतलब क्या? There is no other thing यार. Like you know, आप एक्टिंग स्कूल से निकलते हो A+ सर्टिफिकेट लेके, और तुम्हें लगता है कि अब तो यहाँ पे लाइन खड़ी हो जाएगी और मैं बन जाऊंगा स्टार. You know, to cut to you go for an audition for a shampoo ad, and all you have to do is कि आपको जिम से बाहर निकलना है और एक बंदे के शोल्डर पे आप देखते हो कि dandruff है, and you have to say, hey, why are you using that? Use this shampoo and show your hair, and you know it's that. और जब वो कट होता है और कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बोलता है, भाई एक्टिंग आती नहीं है क्या तुझे? एंड अलग नहीं सर, मैं अभी अभी एक्टिंग स्कूल से आया. तो एक्टिंग स्कूल से आया, लग तो नहीं रहा. तो you suddenly feel like, oh, this is the reality. You know, you suddenly feel like the actual game on ground is something completely different. So ये हम दोनों के साथ, and that's the fun, right? That's how you keep growing and building yourself up.
But do you want to do a shampoo ad?
Yes.
Because
Yes, I really want to do a shampoo ad, so that I want to get that out of my head. Okay, my first audition of my life was a shampoo ad audition, and I could not crack it. But now I want to do a shampoo ad, and I really want to do this and sell it. Like, use this.
But Sunny, in the film, there is a part where Taapsee actually you get stood up because
Yeah.
she doesn't turn up for the film. Has that ever
She
happened?
was coochie cooing her husband.
That is true. But has that ever happened in real life where you've been stood up or you have stood someone up?
Oh, wait, let me jog my memory. नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं.
Have you ever been obsessive in love? What kind of a person are you in love?
Have I ever been obsessive? I think when you're younger, you tend to be a bit more obsessive and insecure, you know, because you're not very sure about yourself. So you project it on the other person. So you become a little.
Like what did you do?
अरे यार मैं बोलूँगा तो विवाद हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा. हर
Yeah.
किसी की जिंदगी
So
में
when
कोई ना
you're-
कोई कहानी
When
है.
you're young, when you're like 17, 18 and everything, so at that time it was like, oh, why are you talking to this guy? That's the thing that you project your insecurities because you don't like that guy. So you're like, oh, why are you talking to him? Why? I'm like, we are friends. No, he's not a nice guy. I don't like him. So, like, you know, all these small little stuff that you do, and then you realize that, oh, you were so stupid in life to be like that.
In my last interview, you said that you are not ready for marriage,
Yeah.
that you don't want to get
I'm still
married
not.
anytime. Recent interview, I saw that you said that you're single.
Yeah.
Are you really single? ये जो मतलब, are you really single?
Yeah.
आंखों में आंखें देख के बताइए ये बातें.
Yes.
You are a good actor. You are a good actor. But no, घर पे ऐसी बातें नहीं हो रही. अभी विकी की शादी होगी. There's no like pressure. You know, my brother is not getting married. So he's 10 years older. Of course, not the age
What are you
gap that you
saying?
got. Yeah. And he doesn't want to get married anymore.
Very
I
clear.
too have always said I don't want to get married. But my father is slowly turning towards this side and saying कि अच्छा उसने तो नहीं किया. What is your plan? Kind of like वैसा जो आपके साथ कभी नहीं हुआ ऐसा?
नहीं, ये तो होते रहता है. ये विकी की शादी से पहले भी हो रहा था. It's just so हम लोगों का ना बेस्ट, हम लोगों का कमबैक ये होता था. So dad was 31 when he got married, correct? So till 31 we had a free pass के 31 तक तो कॉन्वर्सेशन ही नहीं होगी घर पे, क्योंकि डैड वाज 31 व्हेन ही गॉट मैरिड. तो 31 तक तो हमारे जैसे ही 31 टापे हैं, तो उसके बाद में और क्या सोचा है आगे. अरे यार अभी पहले खुद के पैरों पे तो खड़े होने, फिर यू नो I'll see whether I'll be able to support a family and start all that. So yeah.
You know, lastly, I will say that when you talk about your family has always been one of the warmest to everybody they meet. Honestly, like your mom, your dad, your brother, you. Today, you have a beautiful addition in form
Yes.
of Katrina also, and Katrina is also the warmest to. It's on her face. If she really likes you, she'll go all out for you.
Absolutely.
And she doesn't like you, she'll maintain that distance.
Yes.
That's how she is.
Yes.
She's very honest.
Yeah.
how has that changed the entire thing? In like, how have you guys also evolved to make her a part of the family, and how has she also changed, or maybe evolved in a way to be a part of the family? Because today the dynamics are so beautiful.
Yeah, I don't know. It's, you know, it's because it's a process, right? It's a process that happens day by day. So I really can't pinpoint what has changed or how people have evolved. It's just they have, you know, we have evolved to be one family now. So, and I think that's beautiful, and that's, so I really can't, I'm really sorry, but I can't pinpoint ke kaise hua aur kaise kiya.
Do you remember your first reaction when he told you?
I was very happy for him. What else? Like, I was like, अरे क्या बात कर रहा है यार, तू शादी करने वाला है? Like, मुझे तो पहले तो वो बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था ना कि क्या बात कर रहा है यार. I was really happy that he decided to, you know, get married. And to Katrina, she's lovely. She's so lovely.
But one thing I want to tell you before I wrap this, that the whole point of things like this is genuinely thanks to the production house, because I said this in our interview when I did it with 3 of you, that it boasts of a cast of people who are true blue artists who have really, really rugged to be where they are, and they continue to do it. Like, when I see all 3 of you, I feel like you have to prove it with every film to get the next one. The audiences are smart, to be very honest, and when you go on to social media and to pages, Reddit pages and stuff, they really want to watch more of these actors who actually are good at what they do, rather than giving multiple opportunities to people who have not been able to prove themselves. That's the whole point of privilege, I guess. Privilege is good if the person is great, like with their work. And I hope that you get many, many more opportunities, because you are truly, truly one of a kind. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nan. Hi, this is Sunny Kaushal, and you're watching me on Galata, India.
Hola! Your dream vacation to Sri Lanka starts from rupees 24,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.